Hi everyone. Today I am going to explain trigonometry for class 10 CBSE students. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. As per CBSE marking system, 12 marks are for trigonometry out of 80 marks. That is from Introduction to Trigonometry Chapter 8 and Application of Trigonometry Chapter 9. In this video, I will explain Introduction to Trigonometry. Trigonometry derived from Greek. It means measurement of sides of triangle. That is, tri means 3, gon means side, and metron means measure. In this chapter, you have to study trigonometric ratios of some specific angles, trigonometric ratios of complementary angles, and trigonometric identities. First, we can study trigonometric ratios. What is trigonometric ratios? Ratios of the sides of a right angle with respect to its acute angles. What is right angle? Right angles means 90 degree. Acute angles means less than 90 degree. For a triangle, by angle sum property, sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degree. Here side C is 90 degree. So sum of A and B is 90 degree. That means both A and B are acute angles. So we are finding out trigonometric ratios for these acute angles. Here the acute angles are angle A and angle B. Okay. Another definition, relationship between angle and length of its sides. There are 6 types of trigonometric ratios: sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant, and cotangent. Short form is sin, cos, tan, cosec, cosec, sec, sec, and cot, cot. Normally we are using these short forms. Then what are the trigonometric ratios? From this figure we can find out. Sin theta. Sin theta means opposite side by hypotenuse. So in the first figure you see here A and C are the acute angles. Angle B is right angle 90 degree. So we are finding out trigonometric ratios for the acute angles only. Here acute angles are A and C. So for figure 1, what is sin theta? Sin theta is opposite side by hypotenuse. So first figure sin theta is BC by AC. For second figure, theta is marked near to C. So sin theta is AB by AC. Cos theta is adjacent side by hypotenuse. For first figure, sin cos theta, adjacent side is AB. So AB by AC. Second figure, cos theta is BC by AC. Tan theta. Tan theta is opposite by adjacent, or sin theta by cos theta. For first figure, tan theta. Tan theta is BC by AB. Second figure, AB by BC. Then cosec theta. Cosec theta is 1 by sin theta. 1 by sin theta, that means hypotenuse by opposite side. Then for first figure, what is cosec theta? Cosec theta is AC by BC. Second figure, cosec theta AC by AB. Sec theta, for first figure, 1 by cos theta, that is hypotenuse by adjacent. AC by AB for first figure and AC by BC for second figure. Then cot theta. Cot theta is 1 by tan theta, that is sin theta by cos theta, or sin theta by cos theta is tan theta, that means cot theta is cos theta by sin theta, or cot theta is adjacent by opposite side. Okay. So cot theta for first figure is what? Adjacent by opposite, AB by BC. Next figure, BC by AB. So all the for trigonometric ratios, that is four trigonometric ratios, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta, cot theta, we are getting from the sin theta and cos theta. And if you know sin theta and cos theta, you can define all other ratios. Next, the values of trigonometric ratios of an angle do not vary with the length of the sides of the triangle if angle remains the same. What is mean that? The values of trigonometric angles, values of trigonometric ratios of an angle do not vary with the length of the sides of the triangle if angle remains the same. Here consider two right triangle, triangle POX and triangle QOY. For both the triangle, one vertex is common, that is O. See, by AA similarity criterion, that is angle similarity criterion, that you will study in another chapter. According to that angle similarity criterion, triangle POX similar to triangle QOY. POX similar to triangle QOY. If two triangles are similar, then their sides are also similar. That is, by property of similar triangle, corresponding sides of the triangles are similar. Corresponding sides are similar. So here in this figure, POX and QOY, PX is similar to QY, OX similar to OY, and OP similar to OY. See, so OX by OY equal to PX by QY equal to OP by OQ. Mark this as 1. So for triangle POX, see in this figure, triangle POX, what is sin theta? Sin theta is PX by OP. For triangle QOY, sin theta is QY by OP. From equation 1, we know that Px by OP equal to Qy by OQ. So sin theta equal to Px by OP equal to Qy by OQ. Similarly, cos theta equal to OX by OP equal to OY by OQ. Cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse, OX by OP equal to OY by OQ. Tan theta is sin theta by cos theta, or opposite side by adjacent side. So Px by Ox, that is equal to Qy by Oy, and so on. Then types of problems you can expect. One, direct and indirect. That direct means all the three sides are given, you have to find out the trigonometric ratios. That you can find out easily. That is, from figure, what is sin theta? Sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse, 3 by 5. Cos theta is 4 by 5. BC is the adjacent side, AB is the opposite side, AC is hypotenuse. Tan theta is opposite by adjacent, 3 by 4, and so on. Now indirect problems means they are not given third side, two sides are given. Then you should use Pythagoras theorem to find out the missing side. Suppose you are given AB hypotenuse and one side AC, then according to Pythagoras, hypotenuse square is AB square equal to AC square plus BC square. Therefore BC square equal to AB square minus AC square. Here AB is 5, 25 minus 3 square, AC square. 25 minus 9 is 16. So BC is 4. Another way is they are given one trigonometric ratio. If they are given sine theta, what is sine theta? Sine theta is opposite by hypotenuse, AC by AB. That is given. For example, question will be sine theta equal to 3 by 5. Find cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, or all other trigonometric ratios. So first you should draw the right triangle, then mark the sides, and sine theta means, then mark sine theta means 3 by 5 opposite by hypotenuse. Again use Pythagoras theorem and find out the missing side. Then from figure you will get all other trigonometric ratios. Then all the exercise problems I will upload in another video. Thank you.